What if a tropical paradise became the key to a nation's global power? What if a few businessmen and soldiers changed the course of Hawaii forever?
Today, we're going to be exploring how the United States went from a trading partner to ruler in Hawaii. This is a story of sugar, strategy, and the rise of American imperialism.
In the late 1800s, Hawaii was an independent kingdom ruled by its own monarchs, and one of them being the most notable being Queen Liliuokalani.
However, American business interests, especially sugar plantation owners, had grown incredibly powerful. These businessmen wanted Hawaii to be annexed by the United States so they could gain better trade deals and protect their profits.
Now, let's talk about the key events that shaped America's involvement in Hawaii.
The Reciprocity Treaty of 1875 was a deal that allowed Hawaiian sugar to enter the United States duty-free, making Hawaii's economy heavily dependent on the United States. And in 1887, the Bayonet Constitution was imposed by U.S. businessmen who forced King Kalakua to sign a new constitution that limited his power and gave voting rights to wealthy foreigners.
In 1893, American sugar planters and U.S. Marines overthrew Queen Liliuokalani, claiming they were protecting American lives and property. During the Spanish-American War, the U.S. realized Hawaii's strategic value as a naval base in the Pacific. Congress officially annexed Hawaii under President William McKinley in 1898. In 1900, Hawaii was formally established as a U.S. territory under the Hawaiian Organic Act. However, it was only until 1959 that Hawaii became the 50th and final state of the United States of America.
Annexing Hawaii showed the world that the U.S. wasn't only expanding west anymore, they were expanding overseas. Economic interests, military strategy, and the idea of manifest destiny all pushed the U.S. towards the idea of imperialism.
By taking control of Hawaii, the U.S. gained a critical naval base at Pearl Harbor, a powerful trading position in the Pacific, and new resources, all of which are signs of a growing global empire.
The story of Hawaii reminds us that imperialism often comes at a cost. While the U.S. gained power and influence, the Hawaiian people lost their independence, identity, and culture.